These are my racing wheels, and these are Mickey Thompson's Street SS.
So basically the idea here is these are not the best tires for street racing, so we're gonna change them out, put some drag radials on so this thing can perform properly.
Like a Hellcat.
Yep. Where'd you buy this car?
So I bought off the second owner. He was basically hiding it for 2 years. I mean, when I bought the car, it was over 3 years old, and it only had 6,900 miles on it. So it was hardly ever used. I don't think it's ever been over 100 miles an hour, to be honest with you. It'll be 1,000 horsepower next time. We should do a rematch.
Oh yeah? What are you gonna put on?
Might do the 85. It'll make over 800 to the wheels.
Signed by Pugani Ronaldo. And man.
That's my Instagram, by the way. I lost one of the L's. It's the last guy I raced. I gave him the L. So. This was the fun part coming in.
Yeah. Woo! It's lit. Jeez. All right, guys. I'm gonna go for a ride in this car. Gonna see how fast it is, and if I should back out of the race. Surprised first time they've seen it. Ooh, okay. Woo!
We're still gonna get pulled over.
Shit.
The wine, man, never gets old.
Man, never gets old. Shit. Oh, lit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that was 100.
Yeah.
Damn. That was, oh, yeah. That was 50. That was 40.
This is the 0 to 100 real quick. This is the original one.
Yes.
When
Yeah.
the song came out.
Damn. Woo. Woo.
That's hot.
Damn.
Imagine when you do full E85 conversion.
Oh my
This
god.
is what, 640 and more like 840s.
Yeah.
And you notice how the tires still don't hook?
Yeah. Well, it does feel pretty. It doesn't feel that
It's
bad.
6, but
Yeah.
I can make it break this if I want.
Yep.
If I go all the way down, it still doesn't hook.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so you weren't even doing full throttle before. You weren't doing full throttle.
Yeah, like 3/4, I would say.
Okay, yeah.
Should I do a dig or a roll?
Let's do a dig. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
You honk.
Okay.
Go again.
Here we go. Oh shit. Yeah. It was gone, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a Hellcat. That's how it goes, but damn, dude, no, this thing is a beast. Just like they all are, except this one's special. Damn, look at that. All right, now it looks perfect. Now it looks perfect. It's lit. Wow. Hey, man, any plans to do anything else to it?
Well, I got one of those Lux Auto things, the tape thing that goes.
I see that thing. It's beautiful.
Thanks.
But I give you shit because it's automatic.
Hey, if you want to win a race, it has to be an automatic, right?
No.
Which one's faster?
On the straightaway or on spins?
Doesn't matter.
On the long way, you might be able to get it, but on takeoff, having a stick shift is way faster.
What?
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not.
This is the guy that proved the whole world wrong.
Yeah.
Got me to the stick shift.
I beat a 5.0 Mustang with this RT. It's a fact. I also beat a SRT8 Challenger manual. Yeah, so I've beaten all cars manuals with this automatic 8-speed transmission.
All the 8 speeds.
Yeah, they're way faster.
So
Well, I mean, honestly, you guys just have so much power. It's fucking ridiculous.
it's insane, man.
Fucking what, 800 ponies, right?
Yeah, 707 stock.
Yeah.
So
It's fucking ridiculous. What have you done to this thing anyway?
it's stock now.
Oh, yeah? Nice.
With a couple modifications, it'll be in the 8s, 9s.
That's fucking gnarly.
Yeah.
That's crazy. What you done to yours, anything?
Nothing really.
Badass car, bro.
I just love the fucking paint job.
How long have you had it for?
Wrap and
3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
plan on keeping it for a while?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna get
It's
rid
gonna
of
be
her.
in the garage for a while.
Fucking chicks
Nah,
right
man.
there, bro.
That's the
Bro,
the car.
you pull up with anywhere, bro, with that car. Do chicks just be like, the fuck is that shit? Like,
I want to take it to Hollywood and see what happens.
Yeah.
On the weekends.
Yeah. No, hell yeah. No, it's
well,
a
you guys
thing.
have paddle shifters, so I'll give you that.
Oh
That's
yeah.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You can downshift
Yeah.
and launch at any RPM you want.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
sick. That's almost like.
Yeah.
That's messed up. Hey, bro, you guys have a good day. I love it.
Yeah, you
Love
too.
the cars, love the cars.
Have a good one, guys. Well, there you go, man. Anything else you want to add? Woo.
Yeah. Follow me on Instagram.
Right. There you go.
I am gonna start my YouTube channel soon, so if you could put that in the link in the description.
Link in bio. Link
Yeah.
in bio. Your YouTube. What's the YouTube channel?
Same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing. Exactly.
Okay. Exact same thing for YouTube. Follow him there. I don't know why he's not bigger. He'd blow up easily with this thing. And yeah, shit. Bye, HELLGATO. I don't want to leave, but damn.